21 stone arches curve for 380 meters across a breathtaking valley. The Glenfinnan Viaduct is the jewel of the West Highland Line, one of the world's most spectacular railways that winds for 264 kilometers through the wildest Scottish Highlands. This railway line, completed in 1901, represents a miracle of Victorian engineering that transformed an impassable territory into a corridor of unique beauty in the world. Its builders had to face peat bogs, mountains, and lakes, using only cement, sand, and local stones to create a structure that blends perfectly with the landscape.